What's good, YouTube? As you can see, we still got the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro on deck, guys, and I'm still bringing y'all content for this device. I know there's a lot of people out there that still like to see cases and stuff, still rocking iPhone 13s and 14s. So today's the iPhone 14 Pro case video. Let's get into it. Shout out to the good folks over at Nomad, guys. Nomad actually sent this case out to your boy to check out, and today what we got going on is the sports case for the iPhone 14 Pro, looking very nice. As you can see, typical nice quality Nomad packaging. You know, Nomad is one of these companies that makes some of the best accessories for your Apple ecosystem. As you can see, the colorway for the day is Lunar Gray. Take a look at the back. As you can see, premium scratch resistant finish, anodized metal buttons and TPU bumper. Slim design with 6 feet of drop protection. There you go. See that good MagSafe magnet. See that nice button press going on already on the outside of the box. And Nomad is a proudly carbon neutral company. So let's see what we got going on in here, guys. This Lunar Gray is pretty sweet. It's almost like, it's like a light gunmetal gray. And I like how the black goes with it. Nice little button press. Looks nice, and we haven't even got it out of the packaging yet. But I like that. I like the color. I like the colorway for sure. So you got a nice sturdy material on the outside and a Lunar Gray colorway. Nice button press, metal button press. I like that thing. That's a very nice touch. Big cutout for your silent slider. On the inside, guys, this is real nice. They got this nice soft touch material. I'm sure adds the drop protection, but at the same time, just protecting your phone and making sure that some cases you put your phone in will actually scratch up your device. But this is nice padding for your device. As you can see, MagSafe ring going on in here. And if you could ever see so slightly, we got some Nomad branding going on. Power button on this side. And on the side of this case is a nice groove, guys. There's a nice groove right here, and this helps you grip the case actually. So definitely grip is a big part of drop protection. Not dropping it in the first place. Nice little touch right there, some Nomad branding. So here we go in the case, guys. As you can see, nice raised up lip to actually protect your cameras. You know, these camera lenses on this 14 Pro protrude, so they got a nice lip poking out to protect those. All your cutouts are matching and on deck, and you got a nice big lightning port, so you can still plug in whatever lightning cable you're using. If you don't have a big cutout for this, sometimes some cables might give you a hard way to go. Nice tactile button press. Nice satisfying button press on this case like that. You getting a raised lip. It is minimal. It's not super protruding, but you do have a raised lip on this case. But this finish is immaculate, guys. I love this finish that they got going on with this case. This Lunar Gray looks great. And I just like the way it's a very smooth material. The back is definitely slippery, but as you can see, they did the sides in a different way, so it won't be slippery like the back. But just a nice finish, a nice clean aesthetic that you would want for an iPhone. I'll put a link down in the description to nomadgoods.com. Thanks for watching. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.